If you are a new YouTube publisher, it can be difficult to get a lot of viewers for your videos. You should start by making enough interesting videos on a topic that interests you enough to keep making videos on that topic. If you post videos on YouTube in English, as most people do, you can make videos on very unusual topics and get a lot of views. If you make videos in a much less general language, you can easily get your videos ranked high in YouTube search results. The starting point is that your video is really interesting and people will watch it more than the first 5 to 20 seconds. It's not a good thing if only a small snippet of your video is watched from the beginning. If your video is good, it will gain likes and followers over time. These will boost your YouTube channel in Google's eyes and make it easier for your new videos to rank high on YouTube. You can also comment in a relevant way and like videos from other publishers on the same topic, which may drive a comment reader to your YouTube channel. Keywords. You should choose good keywords for your video's title, description and tags. There are almost free tools for this, such as vidIQ or Keyword Atlas. vidIQ focuses only on keywords that are specific to YouTube. Let's do a few searches with vidIQ. The aim is to find search terms that are popular but have little competition. Let's choose artificial intelligence as a search term. As you can see, with this search term you will find a lot of long-tail search terms with little competition, such as knowledge representation in artificial intelligence. Let's take another example search on a completely different topic. The keyword is scuba diving. This is currently not as popular a search term as artificial intelligence, but there is little competition for a number of long-tail keywords. So you can use these keywords in the title, description and tags of your video. So your video title could be knowledge representation in artificial intelligence, for example. The video must focus on this topic. In the description of the video, you can copy and paste the text discussed in the video in a broad way. In the tags, you can copy keywords related to the term artificial intelligence. This can easily be done using the vidIQ application. The app costs only $10 per month to use. You can find the link to vidIQ at the bottom of this video. Usually, well-chosen keywords do not instantly bring your new YouTube channel videos to high positions in YouTube or Google search results, and this can take some time. It's just worth posting good and interesting videos despite the low attention. Gradually, people will start to take an interest in your videos and your viewership will grow. One of the best programs for making informative YouTube videos is Pictory, which allows you to create videos quickly and easily. This video was also created with Pictory. You can find a link to the program at the bottom of this video. This video is made with Pictory. Check the link below this video and try Pictory for free. If you decide to buy Pictory using this link, you save 20%. While keywords are important, it's also important to make videos that are useful, entertaining and interesting enough. YouTube appreciates videos that are watched long enough and get a lot of likes and followers. Thank you for watching the video.